Hi there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of pinecone crafts. With just a little creativity, you can turn simple pinecones into beautiful Christmas decorations and fun DIY projects. Let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about a pinecone wreath. It's one of the easiest ways to add a rustic, festive touch to your home. All you need is a foam wreath base, hot glue, and pine cones. Simply glue the pine cones around the base, layer them for fullness, and you can even add a ribbon or small ornaments to make it pop. Perfect for your front door. Next, we have pinecone Christmas ornaments. These are super fun to make, especially if you have kids. You can paint the pine cones with gold or silver spray for a shiny effect, or add glitter for that extra holiday sparkle. Tie a string or ribbon at the top and hang them on your tree. Easy, right? Another simple craft idea is pinecone flowers. If you carefully cut off the scales of the pinecone, you'll notice they resemble flower petals. Paint them in bright colors and place them in a vase for a beautiful, natural decoration. These look great as part of a table centerpiece. If you love pinecone painting, try giving your pinecones a winter wonderland look. Paint the tips white to mimic snow, or try bold colors like red or green for a more vibrant holiday feel. You can also dip them in paint for a full color effect. These make great accents around the house or in decorative bowls. And that's it for today's video. Whether you're making a pinecone wreath, creating pinecone Christmas ornaments, or experimenting with pinecone painting, there's something here for everyone. If you like these ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more DIY Christmas crafts. Thanks for watching and happy crafting!